I will send something really cool to do a quick review on. This is very interesting. This is for making lead weights. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what it's all about. Look at that. So right on the top we have a pair of cutters, and then there's the actual mold. And on the very bottom we have an instruction manual, which is always good to have. So the cutters look pretty straightforward. It's pretty standard little cutters to probably help you clean up the weights after you get them out of the mold. And then of course the instruction manual. Let's check this mold out. So we got two little knobs right here on the side for tightening it down and getting it in here nice and solid. And let's take a look at the mold. That looks really nice. So it looks like we have two 1 ounce, two 2 ounce, and then a 3 ounce. Very nice. It feels really good. So it looks like right here on the top there's the vent hole. That's to, once you pour in the lead, it vents out that little hole right there. That's really nice. That helps it get a nice even pour. Like I said, they just feel really nice. It's really good quality. And then before you pour, you put it back into the mold, tighten it up. That way that mold is nice and tight. So this looks pretty straightforward. We just need to melt some lead, pour it into the mold, and see how it turns out. Got to be honest with you, this is a lot of fun. First off, you need to heat the mold up just to get it up to temperature so the pour will, go in there nice and smooth. It is a little learning process of, melting lead and getting it just right and cleaning all the, the slag that comes up on the top. Now, I played around with this mold a few times till I got it narrowed down to where I almost know what I'm doing. Very simple though. You heat the mold, you melt your lead, depending on what lead you put in. This is just sinkers that I've already done, and I just remelted them and just kept going through that process until I pretty much mastered it. Now, Molten Masters, this is their little burner. It works very well for heating up and melting different materials. And this mold is flawless. I absolutely love this little mold. You pour the molten lead in there, and that little vent hole allows the air to come out, and it just makes a really nice pour. Now the way this is set up, it has that little clamp that goes around it, and if you spill something over on the side, it's very easy to clean up once it dries. And I want to let you know something. This stuff is hot, so definitely wear gloves. Use all your protection that you need to, be safe. I'm doing this outdoors, but even then, if there's not a good breeze blowing through, you definitely want to use some kind of ventilate, some kind of mask or something like that. It's just something to keep the fumes away from you, where you're not breathing them in. So overall, this little mold has been very easy. Once you get that lead up to temperature, it pours in there like water. And then it's very simple to disassemble, and with those little cutters that came, I was able to pry it apart and then pull all the lead weights out. With that little cutter, you're able to clean up all the extra pieces like the pour where it goes in, and then the vent hole. It pours all the way to the top. So you just got to take and trim all that up. You probably can take as much time as you want. But I just took a little bit of time and just snipped it off and basically remelted the stuff and kept pouring until I had no more lead left, and I ended up with quite a few sinkers. Now, as far as the lead goes, there's a lot of lead everywhere. Depends on where you want to get it. There's different types. I'm not a professional at the different types of leads, but I did have some sinker lead around, so I just remelted it, and it worked pretty smooth. I know there's a lot of leads that plumbers use, which is a good quality, and there's a lot of other type leads that you can get. But, oh my gosh, very simple. Overall, I am very impressed with this mold. I definitely recommend it. All the specs and details are right there on the page. I hope this helps, and we will talk to you in the next one.